sellers, so those sellers who plan to sell the products on all platforms, okay, especially in Lazada, in Shopee, and in TikTok Shop. Okay, so what are the difference between these three platforms, and do you do the same thing from Shopee or Lazada to copy over to TikTok Shop to sell? The answer is no. Okay, in TikTok and TikTok Shop is totally different ballgame altogether. So today I'm going to go through exactly, okay, what are the major differences in your appearance or selling to people in Lazada, Shopee, and in TikTok Shop. Okay, come, are you ready? Let's go. So before I continue, let me introduce myself. So I'm Kong, Lazada Senior Certified Trainer, and I'm a TikToker myself. My channel has grown up to 12,000 followers in just within 6 months. Okay, so go and check out my Kongpreneur TikTok channel as well. So I've trained thousands of sellers and students to sell, okay, on Lazada, Shopee, and even on TikTok Shop. Okay, so there's a lot of selling, marketing, and brand strategies to go on if you want to grow your sales. Okay, just putting your things alone on these platforms, just dumping it there and not doing anything, no marketing, no strategy, is actually wasting your time and effort. So what I normally do to my clients and also my students and the sellers, okay, will help them, okay, plan out a strategy and then look at their store and see what is working, what is not, what is the problem going inside there. So for those who need my help to train or coach you, please click the link below. Okay, my contact is below. Okay, come, let's go to exactly what's the difference in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok Shop. Okay, come, let's go. So let's do a comparison here. Okay, so in Lazada and Shopee, right, how people find you is actually normally through keywordings. Okay, so so here people find you through, they type in something, right, keywords. Okay, keywords, for example, they want to buy a t-shirt, and then from images, okay, then they will find you from here, normally keywords and images. So I give you example. For example, you are at Shopee right now, and then okay, you want to search for some red dress. You already have something that you already know that you want, so red dress woman. And then the first few that comes out here are ads. Okay, we skip them, and then we will look at here, and then we find normally the cheapest price or highest rating, okay, will be on the top. Okay, I mean excluding ads lah. Okay, normally the most number of items sold or the cheapest or the most ratings would be on the top. So that's how keywords and images are important in Lazada and Shopee. But in TikTok Shop, okay, it is the video and the live stream that is the most important. So let's say right now, okay, you are on TikTok. Okay, let's say right now you're on TikTok, and let's say that you are scrolling through the videos. Okay, you're scrolling, and then suddenly you see something that you like, okay, that you want to buy. Okay, let's say example, maybe this, okay, something that you want to buy, okay, like this. Okay, it's a costume that you want to buy, so you can click on it and then you can straight away purchase. So it is actually totally it may be non-intentional. Okay, you don't have intention to buy it and you saw it and suddenly you feel that you need to have it. Okay, so in here, okay, in what the important factors for a Lazada or Shopee store seller. So number one is the keywords, it's that I mentioned, and good images, okay, and then lowest price or a good price, okay, maybe we say low price, okay. And then we have a lot of things like ads, campaigns, and all this marketing things that will make it stand out. Okay, so but then in TikTok Shop, how do we stand out? Okay, what are important factors? Is most number one most important thing is the content, which is your video. Okay, your video needs to capture the attention of the viewer and to make them feel like they really need that product. So that is the number one thing. Okay, you can it may be a live stream, it may be a video. Okay, this the most important thing is this, and then we will have the hashtags. Okay, and the description and all those. Okay, this is secondary, and also of course we need to have keywords as well. So these are the three most important factors in the TikTok shop. Okay, so then, okay, as you said just now, when we were in Shopee, right? So normally the lowest price or highest rating would be on top. So that's why lowest price matters on, yes. So it matters in Lazada, Shopee. But right now on TikTok shop, lowest price is not the number one factor. Okay, so lowest price is not the number one factor. So number one factor is still the engaging content. It's the number one factor. So engaging content, what do I mean by engaging content? Is like the video is super interesting that makes you feel like buying it, makes you want to watch it again and again or share with your friends. So engaging content is the number one priority in TikTok and TikTok shop. So we are selling through video. Okay, we are selling a lifestyle, we're selling how to do it, a demonstration or something like that. So this is how, what is the difference in TikTok shop and in Lazada Shopee, which is the traditional e-commerce for versus TikTok shop, which is the social commerce. Means we are scrolling through videos, unintentionally we came upon a product and we have a desire to buy it. Okay, so how are you going to use this comparison? Okay, plan a strategy on how you can, okay, succeed in selling things in TikTok shop. Okay, I have students that are having 4,000 orders per month just selling the products from home in TikTok by just making engaging content. Yes, it's a very low budget affair that he's doing it all by himself. Okay, and then it is really a success. Okay, that is I'm very proud of him. Okay, that by with TikTok shop, right, his whole life changed. Just from a low budget, somewhere just from his home, he can create 4,000 orders per month. Okay, so it's just by creating engaging content. So now that I've shown you all this, which is very important. Okay, so please use this strategy to start creating and selling on your TikTok shop. Okay, for those who need my consultation or my training or my help to grow your TikTok shop to become bigger and bigger. Okay, and then you need a strategy that works. Okay, proven that works. Okay, I've done it with my students that are selling 4,000 orders per month just from home. Okay, just please click the link below. You know where to contact me. Okay, and then get a consultation with me and grow your sales for 2023. So, okay, everybody. So remember to help me by subscribing to this YouTube channel and also giving a like for this video. So how is your sales so far in 2023? Please leave them in the comments below if you want to ask me anything. So that's it for me now for Kong. Bye bye.